Hi, I'm Trevor, and in this video, I'm going to show you all the different repairs you can do to the couplers for your Palm Beach PowerView panels. And if you don't remember how to disassemble these panels, go ahead and refer back to the first video in the series. Now that we've got our hinges off, we've stripped out some of our light blocks, now we need to work on the side with the coupler. The first thing we have to do with our coupler is actually remove the coupler beauty ring or retaining ring. So let's see if we can get in here with the little flat blade screwdriver, and we'll go ahead and pry that right out. Now we actually need to take and remove our coupler. This is a non-motorized panel, so we're gonna need what's called a coupler rotation tool. And by using this tool, it's gonna give us access to the set screw that's down inside. All right, so now we have access to our set screw. We're gonna hold the tool in place, bring our torque wrench in. Once we get our torque wrench in place, we're gonna start turning counterclockwise, and that has now freed our panel coupler from the clutch. The next step, we can probably take a flat blade screwdriver in here, pry this panel coupler out just like that. Now we can start working on getting the rail disassembled from the stile. We're gonna go ahead and strip this light block out. That's gonna give us access to all of the assembly screws. And let's lift up the side away from the clutch. And now here's where our clutch is inside of the rail. Something to note, you see this notch that's been cut right here in the rail? That's what keeps it in place. So for whatever reason we need to replace the clutch, let's get ourselves a new one. So we're gonna reinsert it in the rail, just like this. Gonna hold it in place as best we can. So we had to kind of jiggle it a little bit to get it down inside. Once we've done that, we're in good shape. We need to start putting this back together again. We're gonna put our assembly screws back in. Now it's time to put part of our light block back in. We're gonna reinsert the coupler back onto the shaft of the clutch. So we just keep rotating this. There we go. So now we need to put the retaining ring back on. See if we can get this back in place. Now we'll put our smaller light block in down on the bottom. Now we need to tighten our set screw in there. We're gonna find our coupler rotating tool again, and we're gonna move it right to where we can have access to the set screw, and we'll rotate this clockwise until we hear a nice click. Now we have permanently attached our coupler to our new clutch. Now it's time for us to finish the reassembly. And that's taking a look at all the different repairs we can do for the couplers in your Palm Beach panels with PowerView.